In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect electronic drums to audio interface. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a connection between any audio interface that you have and a set of drums. I just want to make it very clear that for this video, I chose to use the Focusrite Scarlett 18i20 as a reference and the Alesis Nitro Max. However, of course, any model of audio interface and any model of electric drums are going to work. I chose these ones just to have an example shown on screen. So, in order to establish this connection, you will primarily have two choices for the connection type. So, as you can see, according to the manual, for the electric drums that I chose to use here, the Alesis Nitro Max, you have plenty of options to establish connections, and the primary one to connect it to an audio interface, a mixer, or a speaker is always going to be audio output. So all that you have to do is grab the proper cable and establish this connection. So you will primarily be using 1/4-inch cables. So you grab one end of this cable and you plug it into the audio output ports on the module of your electric drum kit. So as you can see, you can either choose between mono or stereo. If you connect both, it's going to be stereo, or you can connect only this L/mono one to keep the audio like that. And once one end of this cable is going into the module, you can connect the other one into any of the lines of your audio interface. So go into any of the inputs and plug it in. Immediately upon establishing this connection between the audio interface and the electric drums, you will be good to go. Afterwards, of course, you can connect the audio interface to your computer, usually through a USB cable, and you can monitor it within your PC or laptop if you wish. You can also plug headphones into the audio interface and so on. Now, sometimes you might also be able to do this connection using MIDI. The process is exactly the same. So you plug one MIDI cable into the audio interface and then the other end into your electric drum kit. Of course, for this particular example, it doesn't have a MIDI output, but if it did, then you would just plug one end of the cable into the module of the drum kit and then the other one into any of the MIDI ports available on the audio interface. The general steps can be applied to any audio interface and any electric drum kit. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect electronic drums to audio interface. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.